Alright, hello everyone, and welcome to part 2 of our 200 subscriber special. I apologize for the very late video, but there has been a lot going on recently. But as you can see, there's a new setup. So this is going to be the setup that I'm going to be using forward for the next couple of videos. Still trying to set everything and situate everything, but I'm not going to get too much into the details. So let's just get right into this. Last video, for the special that I had planned out, we reviewed Gamma 1 from Dragon Ball Super Superhero. Today, we of course have his brother, and technically counterpart, of emotions and personality, Gamma 2. So this is a figure that I have Gamma 1 over here on the side, but I'll get him in a minute. This is another figure that I was actually looking forward to, and if Gamma 1 is anything to go by for Gamma 2, then it's going to be a really good figure, especially since it has additional accessories. As you can see right here, it has the Gohan cape and everything, so it comes with the accessories for another SH Figuarts that I will be looking at later on. But yeah. So yeah, let's get them all out and start to see what we got. Alright, so here we have Gamma 2, and just like his brother, he has a detachable cape. So something I didn't notice when reviewing Gamma 1 is that this part of the cape is rubber, and just the cape itself is hard plastic, as you can hear. So there are a lot of similarities with Gamma 1 and 2. Of course, the outfits are identical and pretty much the same when looking at them. The joints overall feel exactly the same as Gamma 1, and I'm pretty sure I like the joints. For Gamma 1, he comes with his gun as well, or at least a holster, and his main difference is that he really is blue, has the two, and it has two little head wings on the top. But yeah, aside from that, it's exactly the same. Hard plastic with some softer, moldable, and bendable plastic for easier poses, and that's honestly great. Although I do wish that they kept that for the cape. I think that's one of the issues that a lot of people have with characters like Piccolo and other cape wearers. For example, another one that recently came out this year was Turles. Turles, first SH figure for Turles. His cape is also hard, which is kind of disappointing, but at last, that's the way that they're going to do it. So, aside from the basic figure, he looks amazing. He looks exactly like how he looked in the movies, in my opinion. I think he has, I don't know why, but he has a little bit of a better transition. Maybe it's because of the blue with an actual figure. I think blue is more vibrant than red, and it goes better with figures. I think red sometimes is a little bit hard to capture, depending on the character. But yeah. Aside from this, let's move on to the accessories, because he has quite a bit of accessories that are both for him and another figure. Alright, so here are all the accessories that come with Gamma 1. Or, actually, excuse me. Here are all the accessories that come with Gamma 2. So it's just like his brother, he comes with 3 different faces. At least I think Gamma 1 also came with 3 different faces, or head sculpts. And he has 4 different sets of hands. I'm pretty sure Gamma 1 only came with 3. Don't quote me on that. It's been 2 months, two long months since I did that video. Of course, he comes with his gun, or little blaster, if I can get a focus on. Again, the amount of detail on the blaster, while the blaster not being as detailed as one would say should be, it still looks good. It's got the it looks all painted, to be honest. Nothing looks like a sticker or anything. or that kind of stuff. I'm not sure if SH Figuarts does that, but they also come with. He also comes with 4 different sets of hands as well. I already mentioned that. But he also comes mostly. Okay, let me take a breather. It's one of the things I talked about last video, but he also came with Gohan head sculpt, just like Gamma 1. This one is the messy hair Gohan, where he comes right into battle as well in the movie. He comes with the glasses, which is a great addition in my opinion. I think the additional bonus for Gamma 2 was better than Gamma 1. Mainly because Gamma 1, it was just like the Super Saiyan faces, or the Super Saiyan heads, which I don't think were the greatest. But yeah, he also came with Gohan's turban cape, or Piccolo's turban cape that he gives Gohan. And just like Gamma 2 and Gamma 1, his cape is hard plastic, but the base for it is soft plastic that can be bent so it can fit the figure. Now, I do have Ultimate Gohan with me, but I will be putting them on that figure when his time comes for me to review him. But yeah, this is Gamma 2 and his accessories, including the turban that I put on the side. I do think that Gamma 2 is a great figure, especially looking at him. His joints are exactly similar to Gamma 1. He does pretty much the same amount of poses. One issue is that the elbows are just flat, so they look kind of weird when trying to do anything like bending the arms further than they should bend, really. So that's like the only issue that I could see with these type of figures. Again, one of my gripes were these little things, the shoulder pads. I think they need to get rid of them. I don't think it's a good addition to them because they are not connected to the front, they are connected to the back. And I don't like that. That's, in my opinion, a design flaw. The boots look great, they look glossy like they should. Everything looks glossy on this figure, but it's also like a matte finish for both the head. That's another thing I talked in Gamma 1's video. The head should have been a little bit of a shiny color because they are androids after all, so I feel like a shiny color would have been better for the head rather than the body. But yeah, the buttons are shiny, imitating that metal tone. Also, the little belt buckle is shiny as well, pretty good. The gun holster and everything, it's more so just to remove it. There's nothing on here. It's just like the model for it, so it looks the part when posing him without the gun blaster. But yeah, aside from that, he's very similar to Gamma 1. They're not the most detailed characters, but their basic components and attributes help make good figures. I like the little baggy pants that they both have. I think they're good. They bent pretty well. This one can do almost a full 180, which is awesome, to be honest. Putting him in poses, I don't think is going to be too bad. Now, this was also made in China, so this is going to be good quality overall. If you're getting, I know a recent amount of figures are being made in Vietnam and they have quality issues or quality control issues, so they're kind of flimsy. But I can say that this figure is not flimsy at all. It's a very solid figure that honestly should go in any collector's collection, mostly because he was a premium Bandai exclusive, which is another stupid thing, but I will get into that in another day. But yeah, I guess I should address that, shouldn't I? Yeah, the cape, it's just a little nub right here. I don't think is the greatest way to keep it. I think it should have just been kind of like Gohan's cape, where it's just a hinge, but it's not. So that might be an issue, but again, it's not that bad of an issue because I don't think it's going to be a big issue because the foldable plastic or the bending plastic works well with it. It's a little odd in like these type of areas and everything. Stop focusing on the back, goddammit. So yeah, like these type of areas are going to be a little flimsy and everything. But I don't think it's good. I don't think it's that bad. But overall, I give this figure a... I think I gave Gamma 1 a 9.5. If not... Oh, I did not notice that. Oh yeah. To take off the heads and everything, you just have to behead your Gamma 2. And then just switch it with another... Very simple, too. It's not that... Okay, don't put too much pressure on this. It'll fall right off. Or break off, I don't know. But yeah, not too bad, honestly. I probably will give this figure a solid 9. Mainly because he is a Premium Bandai exclusive. The colors are good and everything. I do think they could have done better with like the shininess of an Android. But aside from that, I think he looks good. The posing is I think the posing will have awesome possibilities and everything. But yeah, this has been Gamma 2, an overall 9 out of 10. He also comes with great additions for another figure, even though I don't agree that they should do that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the Gammas. This has been the 200 subscriber special in the long run. So apologies for the tardiness as well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. That should not be in 2 months. It's going to be in 2 weeks. Or a 1 week, depending on how I can film it. Alright, bye-bye.